Finally, after a few years, nag-decide din ako umuwi ng Pilipinas, and this time I decided to take the bullet train from Yokohama going to Narita. Pak, di ba? Grabe yung sa transition natin dyan. And then, pagdating natin dito sa airport sa Manila, hindi nawala yung pa-welcome tagay natin dito pagdating natin ng Manila. Napasubo tayo dito kay Jose Cuervo, and after that, hindi ko talaga makakalimutan na nag 10-second shots ako ng tequila, and parang feeling ko katapusan ko na talaga to. At hindi pa natapos yung gabi doon, uminom pa kami at nang uminom. And then the next day, umuwi na ako ng hometown ko, which is Bacolod City. And then as you can see, wala talagang masyadong building paglapag mo ng airport. The greenery is shaking. And then the next night, ayan, hindi pa ako nadala. Nag-party ulit ako nung gabi na yon. Pumunta kami sa Lunar, which is like the new place in Bacolod City. And then of course, it's so good to meet my old friends in Bacolod. Fast forward to the next day,